Impress your family with this Beko double oven with maximum width grilling and removable glass door for easy cleaning. Two ovens totaling an 86-litre capacity give you the flexibility to cook your starters at the same time as your main and at two different temperatures, ideal for any size family. Cooking is no longer restricted to one oven. Utilising a fan air heating system, the main oven delivers super fast heat-up times. The true fan cooking technology evenly distributes hot air around the oven, allowing for reduced cooking times and temperatures, saving you time during your preparation and ensuring your meals are perfectly cooked every time. The large display clock and timer are features intended to help you keep track of cooking times, ensuring you prepare that perfect dish and avoid burning it. The timer on this model can also be used to start and stop the oven at a preset time. Simply set the timer and the oven will alert you when it's time to check your makings. A fantastic feature if you love baking cakes and pastries. Enjoy perfect Sunday roasts with this double fan oven from Beko.